Hey guys, welcome to another episode where we are going to be going through each setting of the Instant Pot so you know exactly what it does. So today we are on the rice setting. So we have here 2 cups of white rice. So the general rule with rice is you want a cup of water for every cup of rice you have. So a 1-to-1 ratio. But before we do that, we have to rinse our rice so we get all that, I think it's starch in there. We got to get it all off. So let's pour it into a big pot and let's run it under some water until it runs clear. So what I like to do is I like to fill it up with a generous amount of water and then rinse it around with my hands until the water becomes super cloudy, and then I'm going to pour that water out and repeat. Rinse and repeat. All right, so once you have your rice in your inner pot, you can put this into the Instant Pot. 1, 2. So let's put our lid on. Remember, line up the markings and twist shut. So once you hit the rice button on your Instant Pot, you're going to have a few preset settings. So the timer's set to 12 minutes, low pressure, a natural release, and the NutriBoost off. I read that the NutriBoost is really good for rice, so we're going to try that this time. So we're going to hit that on, but all the rest of the settings we're going to leave the same. Then you just hit the start button, let it do its thing. Okay, so once your pot is fully depressurized, you can open up the lid. Ooh. All right, let's check out our rice. Let's see how it did. Remember, we kind of just did it on the generic rice settings. We just hit the button, the rice button, and we let it go. So remember to mix and fluff up your rice so it looks all nice and presentable. Oh my God, my spatula's breaking. Whole piece just fell off. Oh my God. I gotta get a new one. So nothing special. It's rice. And that's how it's made. So yeah, I mean, for all intents and purposes, this is white rice, and it cooked it rather quickly. The bottom, you can see that it is kind of gunked up on there, so that's going to be a little difficult cleaning. So make sure you take this rice out, put it in the container, and then clean that real quick while it's still hot. All in all, it's made pretty good rice. All right, guys, so that is a basic rundown of how to use the rice setting to make perfect white rice in the Instant Pot, and I hope you're a little bit more comfortable now than you were before. If you want something a little bit more intricate, I will be making a Spanish rice tutorial sometime in the future. But thank you very much for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll be back next time with the canning feature of the Instant Pot. So see you then.